Dr. Bradshaw here with Chirocynergy. We're talking about stretching out the hips. In this case, we're going to talk about stretching out the quadriceps. That muscle is running from the front of the hip, down the leg in the front, down to just below the kneecap underneath here. 4 muscles all here, so they can get very stiff and tight. If we have a tendency to sit too much, our hamstrings get tight because they get pressed on. The quadriceps get too tight because they don't get any exercise. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to stretch them. Here's how you do it. You're going to get near a wall for balance. Hand about, arm length or so you feel pretty stable here. We're going to work with the left one. You're going to bend the leg back. You're going to grab it with your hand and you're going to pull it this way. If you can get your heel to the buttock, great. Most of you cannot. That's okay. If you can only get to right here, that's okay. If you only get to right here, you can take a band, wrap it around, a towel I should say, wrap it around your ankle. Pull with your hand so you pull it up as far as you can go. And you hold that for a count of 10. Okay? If you can get it up here, great. And then at that point, you can start to lean forward towards the wall, pushing the knee back. All right? That's really going to pull that quad all the way up into here. But again, when you get as deep into the stretch as you can, you hold that for a count of 10. Then we're going to switch. Same thing over here. Hand here. Reach back. Pull the heel back towards the buttock as you bend the knee. If you get the heel to the buttock, bend forward. If you can't, you can only get to right here, wrap the towel around, hold it with your hand, and pull it up this way to help stretch this out. The more you do this, the better. So a count of 10 on both legs is this one cycle. We're going to do 3 cycles a day. So I like to see you doing this in the morning, middle of the day, and the end of the day. If you're a runner and you've injured this, you're going to have to be more consistent with it. You're going to have to keep it stretched out. So you may have to do this 8 to 10 times a day. But regardless of that, this will help loosen things up with the hips. It'll also help with chronic knee pain. A chronically tight quadricep will cause problems in the knee and or in the SI joint. If you have problems in the low back on one side, that tends to relate to one quadricep being tight too. So a lot of things can tie in with this tight muscle. So stay with these and you'll be feeling a lot better. Have fun.